Hey, what's up, everybody? I just want to make a quick video going over one of the concepts that you guys need to know in order to complete today's worksheet. So I wanted to go over what's called point slope form, which is going to be the objective of today. So know how to write equations in point slope form. So point slope form, we use that when we're given a point and we're given a slope. So let's start off with the form. So the form of point slope is going to look like this. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now, let's say, for instance, that we have the following situation. I'll call this example 1. So let's say we have the point, let's say we have a line that passes through oops, that passes through the point 2, 3 and has the slope or rate of change of 1/2. So what we're going to do is we are going to substitute the point and the slope into point slope form. So let's start off with, let me rewrite point slope form. So here it is, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So you can tell right away where your slope's going to go. We know your slope, we know that m equals 1/2 is going to go right here into this piece. And we know that this right here is going to be called, this is going to be your x1 and this is going to be your y1. So you're going to pick, or no, you're not going to pick, but you know your x1 is going to go right into this spot right here. And we know that this guy y1 is going to go right into this spot right here. So we're just going to go ahead and rewrite this again, now with our new terms plugged in. So I'm going to get y minus, so y1 is 3, equals m, which is your 1/2, parentheses x minus, and now your x1 is 2. And from there, we're going to rewrite this and get this into slope-intercept form. So from there, I'm going to distribute the 1/2 out. I know we don't like fractions, but they're going to be showing up a lot. So y minus 3 equals 1/2 x minus 1/2 times 2 is just 1, and then we add 3 over to each side, and we get y equals, why isn't this working? Y equals 1/2 x plus 2, and we're done. So, have a look at that. So you can use that example to help you out with the problems that we're going to be working on. Let's do one more. Let's see, let's do one more. Let's say we have a line. So we have a line, and it's going to pass through the point -2, -1, and it's going to have a slope of -3. So let's just go, I'm going to go straight into just plugging it in. So I'm going to have y minus my y1. This is x1, this is y1. So -1 equals m, which is right here, -3, parentheses x minus x1. x1 is -2. You'll notice whenever you have a negative for your x1 or y1, they're always going to become positive, right? Negative and a negative gives me positive. Bring down the -3, bring down the +2, and we go ahead, distribute out. This becomes -3x plus -6. Bring everything else down. Subtract the 1 over. And we get y equals -3x minus 7, and I'm done. Alrighty. Alright, let's do one. Let's do one with just going straight to intercepts, to slope-intercept form. So sometimes this will happen. Sometimes they'll say you have a slope and they'll give you an intercept, which is the form that that's most common, which is y equals mx plus b. So sometimes you'll get a slope. So let's call this example 3. So sometimes we'll get, alright, a slope of 3 over 4, and it'll pass through, no, wait. They'll say a slope of 3 over 4, and they'll give you the point. Yeah, so it does pass through. It'll pass through the point 0 and 4. So if you notice this is your x1 and this is your y1. If I were to graph this point really quick, if I were to graph this, the point 0, 4 is right here. 0, 4. It's the y-intercept. So this is actually your y-intercept. So in slope-intercept form, this guy right here is your y-intercept. So all we need to do is plug the 4 in there, and we're done. So our final answer is going to be y equals 3, oops, that's a 3, 3/4 x plus 4, and I'm done. Alright, so when you notice that you have the y-intercept, you can just plug that straight in and you're done. Otherwise, I would recommend using the point slope form. So yeah, I hope this will help you out with your worksheet today. Let me know if you guys have any questions.